to go. Sina, this is yours. First time trying lechon manok.
Yeah.
What's up guys? Welcome back sa ating vlog na naman. At ngayon papalabas kami, hapon na pala guys. At ngayon na kami kalabas kasi medyo nag-relax-relax lang kami dun sa kwarto. Andito na rin pala yung ate at yung si Sina. So, ito yung napili kong lechon manukan guys kasi medyo mas sikat din kasi talaga yung choose to go at masarap din talaga kaya ito yung pinili ko. Kikid kasi matry na din ni Sina yung chicken. Is it Sina want to try or this girl? Are you the one want to try?
We need to buy steak
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You
But
should, it's chicken.
we need to buy steak again because Olea will eat steak. It's so good for her also. Yeah, so you
steak?
can share a steak. You can share a steak.
Mm.
It's really good for iron. It's a lot of iron.
Yeah. So, ayun guys, oh.
But we have to buy Olea the shoes that are like beep, 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 every time they go.
And then it's light, no?
Yeah. No. We did that one also. I found
And
nice.
then she will just keep jumping. So, ayun guys, pagkas muna tayo. Pupunta pala kami ngayon dun sa Gaysanong guys kasi may park dun at mas relaxing at hindi din namin mag-grocery kasi hindi din ni Sina ng tubig. At dun, magkanan tayo dito guys. Thank you. So andito na kami sa Gaysano guys. Ang ganda kasi dito sa Gaysano kasi may park siya nga pwede ka din mag-chill at mag-relax. Kaya ito, matry na rin ni Sina guys. Hope magustuhan niyo din. Nagdala pala tayo ng fried rice guys. Ate oh. Ikaw na. That's yours. Sina, this is yours. Yep. Hope you're gonna like it. Just try the meat, only the meat. Okay, also want?
She won.
Yeah. It's really nice here, no? Because it's just wide. It's nicer than the park, no? Yes, no, only the meat. Just try the meat. Yeah. Ah. I can see it. Yeah. Yeah. It's safe, huh? It's safe. First time trying lechon manok.
Yeah.
How was the flavor on it?
I don't know.
Is it good?
It's good.
You like it?
Better than the pig.
It's better than the pig.
Yeah.
So guys, it's better than the lechon. Mas gusto niya daw ito bag kaysa lechon baboy. That's good then. Ayun guys, ang sarap talaga ng chooks to go guys. Tender and juicy guys. Ang sarap talaga ng Chokes to go, lechon manok. Nakakamiss din kasi ngayon na ako nakabalik ulit magbili ng lechon manok. Ang sarap talaga guys. Sarap. Sina, rate it. 1 to 10.
7.
7. But is it good flavor?
Yeah, it's good.
But at least you like it more than lechon, right? The other one, the pig.
Yes.
So she love it guys than the pig. Fried rice. Garlic. Do you wanna try? Try Ira. It's not spicy. That's garlic. The other one.
What?
Put directly in your mouth.
This one, Ira. Get one.
Also try this. Just like that, your hands. I will put. Oy, that's garlic. Oy, that's a lot. Sorry. Thank you, sir.
That's good. That one.
Try. Which one is good? Oh, that's garlic. Crispy garlic. It's good, no? That's sweet. Try the peanut.
Is this peanut?
Yeah. Which one is good?
One.
The other one?
Yeah.
But do you know this is really good when you're drinking?
Oh?
Like you're drinking, and then you also have something in your. Do you also do that? You have food while you're drinking?
No. Or sometimes depends on who. But some
We
of
do
my
that.
friends always have like salt chips.
Yeah, like that, salt
whatever.
chips, like
Yeah.
that. Or sometimes they use peanut, also good. What's up guys? At yun pala, na-try na pala ni Sina yung lechon manok natin dito. At marami din siyang nagustuhan dito guys. At marami pa tayong gustong ipatry sa kanya, kaya keep updated in our vlog guys. Shoutout muna tayo. So shoutout kay Aku Simpoy siguro. Shoutout sa iyo and thank you sa pag-subscribe. Ito shoutout sa iyo sir, parati talaga ito nanonood si sir at sumusuporta sa atin. Shoutout talaga sa iyo sir, parati talaga ito nanonood si sir sa atin. Thank you from Malaysia. Shoutout kay Alan Camunigo. Shoutout sa iyo from Laguna. At kung gusto niyo din ng mga collaboration guys, message nyo lang yung email account namin dito or mga invitation guys. Baka gusto nyo kaming invite, ganyan, or mga collaboration. Open kami guys. Message nyo lang yung account namin. Kaya, thank you sa panonood guys and let's go.